Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's often kept under wraps, the hidden consequences of emotional infidelity. Emotional affairs can be just as damaging as physical ones, and they're not always easy to spot. When we become emotionally invested in someone else, it can cause a host of problems in our relationships. Firstly, it can lead to trust issues, leaving us feeling insecure and questioning our partner's loyalty. This can create a constant state of tension and anxiety in the relationship. Secondly, emotional affairs can also disrupt our personal lives. They can cause mood swings, feelings of jealousy or sadness, and even disruptions to our daily routines like sleep patterns or eating habits. This can lead to an overall decline in physical and mental health, which is something we should all be taking seriously. Lastly, emotional affairs can have far-reaching consequences on those involved. They often lead to feelings of guilt and shame for both parties involved, which can be tough to overcome. It's important for both parties to communicate openly about their feelings and find ways to move past these challenging times together. Remember, communication is key when it comes to maintaining healthy relationships with others. If you notice any signs of an emotional affair in your life or your partner's life, don't hesitate to talk about it openly and honestly with one another. Only then will you be able to work through the issue together and rebuild trust in your relationship. Thank you so much for joining us today on this important topic. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thought-provoking content like this one. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.